are starting to work to my benefit now. It's white America. I could be one of your kids. White America. Eric looks just like this. White America. Erica loves my shit. I go to TRL. Look how many hugs I get. White America. I could be one of your kids. White America. Eric looks just like this. White America. Erica loves my shit. I go to TRL. Look how many hugs I get. See, the problem is I speak to suburban kids who otherwise would've never knew these words exist. Whose moms probably would've never gave 2 squirts of piss. Till I created so much motherfucking turbulence. Straight out the tube, right into your living rooms I came. And kids flipped when they knew I was produced by Dre. That's all it took, and they were instantly hooked right in. And they connected with me too because I look like them. That's why they put my lyrics up under this microscope, searching with a fine-tooth comb. It's like this rope waiting to choke, tightening around my throat, watching me while I write this like I don't like this. No, all I hear is lyrics, lyrics, constant controversy, sponsors working round the clock to try to stop my concerts early. Surely hip-hop was never a problem in Harlem, only in Boston. After it bothered the fathers of God are starting to blossom. So now I'm catching the flag from these activists when they ragging, acting like I'm the first rapper to smack a bitch or say faggot. Shit, just look at me like I'm your closest pal, the poster child, the motherfucking spokesman now for white America. I could be one of your kids. White America. Eric looks just like this. White America. Erica loves my shit. I go to TRL. Look how many hugs I get. White America. I could be one of your kids. White America. Eric looks just like this. White America. Erica loves my shit. I go to TRL. Look how many hugs I get. So to the parents of America, I am the damager aimed at little Erica to attack her character. The ringleader of this circus of worthless pawns, sent to lead the march right up to the steps of Congress and piss on the lawns of the White House. To burn the mask and replace it with a parental advisory sticker. To spit liquor in the faces of this democracy of hypocrisy. Fuck you, Miss Cheney. Fuck you, Tipper Gore. Fuck you with the freest of speech this divided states of embarrassment will allow me to have. Fuck you. I'm just playing, America. You know I love you.